Leopold Escher Brenner, he's a German researcher. He's 25 years old, young chap, very promising future. Columbia University graduate. He graduated valedictorian when he was just 19 years old, and he worked with under Sam Altman at OpenAI. And then the rumor has he was kicked out for leaking some document to Anthropic. He still denies it, but then he wrote a report that says situational awareness. And then he became like all the Wall Street, they read the article, big investor, they got inspired, they got really impressed by the insight of this young man. And then he made his own hedge fund. The hedge fund name was same as his report, Situational Awareness. He started his fund with like $225 million. He would get big investors, get money, pool money from them, and then instead of investing mainly in the AI stocks and making the portfolio diversified, he picked a niche. He invested in AI infrastructure. And at one point, his NBIS, that made like 45% of his portfolio. In a stock market, S&P usually grows like 8 to 9% a year. This hedge fund made gains were 439% in just 6 months. And then he poured, everybody got impressed, the big hedge fund, big investor, big Wall Street folks, they reached out to him, so they gave him his money, he pooled more money. So now it was, initially the hedge fund started with $225 million. With this big investor jumping in, it became like $45 billion worth of hedge fund in just 18 months. But then he was a bit too leveraged. Remember in my Korean market video, I explained how leverage can actually kill your portfolio. So he was like his investments were mainly the AI infrastructure, but all those stocks like CoreWeave, Nebius, Micron, they all are very high beta kind. So his investment was mainly in very high beta. So when they started falling, so at one point, some people say that he was like 4 times leverage. So when these stocks started falling, he was margin called, he was forced to liquidate, and the hedge fund lost the worth from 45 billion to 10 billion. And then people, obviously, the investor got mad and they pulled their money, and then he went private, and then he sold most of his public holdings. And then the Citadel, Ken Griffin, he jumped in and he kind of rescued, he saved the day. And then the dip that came into AI stocks like last week, it recovered. And some people think that Citadel, Ken Griffin is like being greedy again, and like GameStop scenario all over again. But for many, he is just a savior. He saved the AI stock market. So the lesson here is you can predict what the trend would be, and still you can be wrong. So best way to stay safe and not lose this much proportion of your portfolio is to to manage your risk, try to mitigate your risk, and play with the leverage that you can easily manage. Thank you.